If you're shopping for a smart TV, two brands stand out: Xiaomi and TCL. Both deliver 4K panels, Google TV integration, and competitive pricing, but the difference matter. So TCL has built a reputation for strong performance at mid-range prices. Models like the C7K and QM7K series score higher in gaming, sports, and overall brightness. TCL TVs often feature VA LCD panels, giving deeper contrast and smoother motion. Reviewers rate TCL slightly better for console gaming and sports broadcasts thanks to higher refresh rates and lower input lag. Xiaomi, on the other hand, focuses on the value and ecosystem integration. The S Pro and A models bring HDR10 Plus, DTS:X audio, and USB recording support. Xiaomi TVs are praised for their sleek design, strong app support, and better performance in bright rooms. They're also slightly cheaper in many regions, making them attractive for budget conscious buyers. So TCL wins for gamers and the sports fans who want smoother motion and deeper contrast. Xiaomi wins for everyday streaming and affordability.